Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. This is a short video regarding the materials update. As of now, in CMA final, we uploaded two subjects, that is paper 13 law and paper 15 direct taxation version 4 books already we released in our website www.shikharatutorials.in under free resources. I will show you how to download these materials from the website also, but I want to tell you some details regarding the law. So we have an corporate and economic laws. So concept book module 1 covering corporate laws, concept book module 2 covering economic laws, and both corporate and economic laws MCQs and questions will be covered in workbook. Totally we are going to provide 3 sets of materials. Coming to direct taxation concept book and the next workbook, next handwritten and MCQ. But whatever that MCQ and handwritten there, we segregated into 3 parts because of the uploading size issues. So totally this book uploaded in 3 parts. In last part we have an MCQs. Okay. So now we can check. You can search in Google Shikharatutorials or you can search directly www.shikharatutorials.in. So this is only our website. Yes, this is only our website. Any course also you need to purchase from this website only, but now under free resources. But first of all, if you want to access these free resources, you have to create your account. So just simply you can enter your number. Yes, now I will use my number A309353726. So just now I'm waiting for a OTP. Yes. So within seconds we can log into this website. Now if you click on the free resources, home and all options are there. Please click on free resources, CMA final level. So if you observe that first 3 are company law, that is module 1, module 2 workbook. Then after concept book, workbook, handwritten and MCQ total 3 parts. Yes. Next tax audit, whatever the supplementary we added. In future, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will add amendment material also to these free resources only. You can download from here. Then I think in this thumbnail you can see one more word. Sir, free hard copies of materials. Yes, but there is an limited stock we have. CMA final direct taxation version 4 books. In our stock we have 20 books. Yes, 20 sets. Now we want to distribute these 20 sets to the students at a free of cost through speed post. So in order to get these books, what you have to do? Simply below this video you can comment your name and what is your course, that is CMA final group 3 or group 4, and next your state. So after receiving some comments, nothing but 1 or 2 days we will wait for receiving the comments. After that, randomly we can pick your name and our staff will contact you regarding address and your phone number. Just comment your name, course as well as state. Automatically our staff will distribute these books to you. So these are only the details from our side, and so we are trying to do that marathons for every subject also. So already law marathon released, and DT and SFM, CFR and all other subject, cost audit, IDT, SCM. These are all the marathons also coming on the way. Thank you. Have a nice day.